Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your name in Docusign. Alright, and as always, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Chrome browser, which I'll be using for the course of this video, and then click on that. Alright, it will take you to this page. What you want to do next is click on this first link and log into your Docusign page. Alright, by filling in these details if you don't already have an account, and if you do, you just fill in to get started. Alright, so we'll just head over to our Docusign page over here, and this is what it looks like. If your name is appearing incorrectly in Docusign, or maybe because you had a spelling error and legal name change or an old account data and you want to change that, you can update it in a few seconds by following the simple steps below. All right, so the first thing you want to do is head over to the top right corner over here to your profile icon. Click on that. That's after you've logged in, and then you head over to either the manage my preference or manage account colon over here and click on that, and then it will take you to the next page. All right, as you can see, this is the page where we would have to edit our personal information. So under profile, you would have to go to your name, your email address, your contact information, and edit those to the correct one you want to change. And then when you're done, you click save and it will update, as you can see over here. So this is a short and simple way with which you can change your name in Docusign, and this will just give you exactly what you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these steps were simple, short, and clear for you. Until the next one, bye for now.